Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago with 35mm reversal film, and this is my subject today, and I want to try illustration from this image. I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, and I got two images to make illustration, some kind of different expression. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna use the smudged image, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer first. Then I'm going to turn this base image off. Now to keep it, just keep it. And I'm going to work on this and rename, yes, smudge layer, then find smudge in brush texture. Well, I use drawing to little pine this time. Well, this one is also nice brush texture. Okay, I go with kind of soft. Little pine. Make it bigger, just time consuming, so smudged over the image. I guess this smudge texture is going nice with this soft move type. I'm going to change the blend mode later. When you change the blend mode, it's going to express different way. This smudge texture go nice with the hairstyle too. This kind of moving wave look. Hair is going nice. Okay, make it a little small, then I will check nice eyebrow first. Yeah. It's just make it nice eyelashes too, huh? And smooth out the skins, smooth out and soften up. And take the noise, grains and stuff. Take these noise out. Okay, a little bigger, then these cheeks. Oops, be careful on lips. Okay, that's nice, and lips now a little bit smaller. Make the shape nicer. Nice to keep highlight side. Okay, about this much for the face, and we'll continue to go here. Okay, almost done for nice. So smoothing. Okay, now go outside. A little bit bigger than smudged over the costume. You see the grains when I scan the film. Just pick some of these dust and stuff, but when you smudge it, it's gonna go out. Okay, now done for costume. Okay, now pick some, change the brush texture. Little pines, large size even, still too small to me, so I'm gonna make bigger blooming. This is maybe a touch bigger. I'm gonna use for outside. Yeah, pretty big. So it's so easy to smudge bigger side. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. Well, next I smudged all. Now I'm gonna add layer, then well I'm gonna add color, more nice saturated color on her face. Let me make up with, well, when you add the color, just choose the brush. I usually use soft blend, medium blend, or this kind of airbrushing soft brush. There's a density so you see easier. And also I want to change, this is highlight size, so real hard to see even though I painted. Well, not that dark, huh? Okay, now you see it's kind of more reddish, and you see here too a touch. Very see it. Okay, now let me change the mode, blend mode, normal to, I usually change to color because this is effect color. It's kind of not much showing, so like lips, let's see, a little bit reddish. This mode is very nice for colorize black and white films and stuff. Okay, a little more reddish color, and also choose some eyeshadow color, like a blue to green or something like that. Maybe let's see. More to outside. Then maybe change to green or something. Real cool color. How's this? Okay, leave it this way, and let's see a little more touch up. Okay, how about her hair? Well, more warm goldish. Maybe some nice. How's this? Touch. It's gonna add the color a little bit. Some highlight area goes to shiny gold. Then shadow area, I'm gonna add some reddish to blend. Goes to brown. Okay, I'm gonna add yellow. Then down, she's got the earrings. Let's go with some blue or black. That's too much, huh? Okay, I'm gonna erase it too much. Down, just touch, just to see the blue. Okay, I guess I need a reddish color. This layer, blend mode color, that's easy to change the color. Just, okay, now we got the reddish blue earrings. Now, here's nice soft, isn't it? Okay, now I want to see that this pencil drawing type image on. Then I'm going to change the blend mode. Let me see, darken. Then just show the base image also. But I'm going to change though this pencil drawing image darken to color burn. Isn't that cool? Totally different color, you know? And I'm going to change this color burn to linear burn. Well, just a touch, tone down, and back darker color, normal, lighten. Then I'm going to find out this overlay. It shows really harsh image color, but I like around here that kind of goldish color, and also her hair goes to more sharpen up. Well, now I see the effect though now, and also I want this pencil drawing type image effect, change the blend mode like linear burn and overlay, maybe to color burn. Okay, now this side I'm gonna use now. This is color burn. I like this kind of darken area. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate maybe 3 of them. Now this one, all 3 are same blend mode. I'm gonna take 2 off. I only work on this first blend mode. Then what I'm gonna do is make mask, then invert mask. Now I only see smudge image, this one, and also of course the color makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna work on this layer mask, just to reveal with the effect that I like, which was the darken area, these costumes. So just use the brush, maybe medium blend, reveal this mask around here. Now you see the effect already come up. Okay, well I'm looking at this here. That's cool, isn't it? Then now change to, now I'm going to turn this one on. Next, pencil drawing type image. Then I'm going to change blend mode to overlay. This one is making real harsh highlight. Okay, let's see. And also I'm going to smudge on this pencil drawing type image because this is now its tone is real blocked out and stuff. So use the smudge tool and smudge on this image. I'm going to take these blacks blocked out and stuff. When you smudge it, it's so easy to take out. Just use that same way. Now I'm going to make mask on this overlay effect. Now make mask and invert mask. Now you see it goes lighter, more effect. And also you don't see the black dot because I smudged already, right? Okay, now I reveal this much and just a touch. Now what else? Well, let's see on this third one. Now it's this is on color burn, but I want to see her makeup now. It's normal color, right? No, it's some. Well, let's smudge first on this smudge tool. Then this is glowing. Make it, yeah, that's okay. Just take out these blacks, blacked out. So I'm smudging on this pencil drawing type image only for her face. Take these two black lines, just smudge edge of her face. There's some dust and nose and lips. Okay, now let's see the effect. It's color burn now. Linear burn, color burn. This is overlay. There's too much, too light. Soft light, all light. Not much effect in this. Difference. This one goes to negative. Exclusion. That's cool too, but subtract. Well, exclusion. Let's see. Just experience. Okay. Change mode. Exclusion, and I'm gonna make mask. Invert mask. Now reveal red, same white on this mask. Let's see, bigger. Now how? Oops. Look at this. Kind of, what's that movie name? Movie called, what was it? I forgot. Blade Runner. Yeah, Blade Runner, I think. Well, okay, clear. Then invert. Now I'm gonna change this smudge layer. Its exclusion now to. We don't use this. This is nice, I think. I may want to see if I'm gonna change maybe overlay for her costume, this shiny highlight, maybe if I want to use it, like here. You see some highlight shows about here too, just a touch highlight, emphasize. This is too much, so I'm gonna go back just a touch on the shoulder. Makes maybe different kind of image. Yeah. Well, now I'm gonna make what's the shape I'm gonna show this smudge image. Okay. Now I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now review with painting to oil paint, oil on canvas. Touch more small. Just play around, looking at the outside edge. That's all I'm looking at now. Then inside I'm gonna review everything anyways. So, or maybe use this texture. Yeah, that's kind of fun. Maybe paint it. Direction is just go with the background image as if like drawing these images. Just play around all day long. You're gonna find out time to stop. Well, but it's so interesting. Well, okay, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna help you with some kind of idea to create your work. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.